So if you have a MacBook Pro, you might hate when this thing happened to you. So welcome to Taufik Nobo channel, and yes, this is what happened to my power cord Magsafe power adapter. I broken it right here near the power brick and also near to the L connector, which is both this position is where your Magsafe will broken. And yes, a lot of option. You can repair it, you can buy the power cord, and also you can buy the brick and also the power cord, but it's not original. So I choose to buy a new Magsafe power adapter. It cost me about 120 bucks. Yes, it's not that cheap, it's quite expensive actually, but then why I choose to buy this, because I want my MacBook to last. It's 2011 MacBook, it's not on its prime. So yeah, let's see what do we have here. Let me open this thing up. So in the box, you'll get nothing but, oh my god, it's so hard to open. You get nothing but bricks and cables. You've got manuals, you've got the power cord, and you've got some options here. Just like when you buy the MacBook Pro, you've got 3 options of the power connector. Oh, 2 options, sorry. So yeah, basically this was it. So only this for 120 bucks. Hopefully my MacBook will last. And if you want to repair your power bricks in Indonesia, you have a lot of them coming up. I will attach the link for you guys. I will also repair my old Magsafe, so I can use 2 of this baby, one at the office, one at the home. I know it might not make sense to you, but then that's how I want to do. I want to spend more. So yeah, basically that was it. You only got the power brick and also some power connectors. That was it. I'm quite shocked myself, but at least I've got some manual, which I'm not gonna read. So what do you think? If your Magsafe is broken, will you just repair it, or will you just buy a new power brick like me? I don't know. Comment below. Taufik Nobo out. Adios.